RepairDesk SMS lets you send and receive text messages directly from your RepairDesk account and is currently available in the following countries: United States, Australia, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Now let's see how to set up RepairDesk SMS. After logging into your RepairDesk account, go to the Integration section and click on SMS. Then, select RepairDesk SMS to connect the integration. From this page, click on the Enable button. This will activate RepairDesk SMS. Now, you can choose a suitable SMS package. You can also buy a virtual number directly within the system, allowing you to receive customer replies directly in your account. To buy another number, click on Find Another Number, which will display a list of available numbers in your area. Once you've selected a number, click Pay Now to complete the transaction. RepairDesk SMS is now successfully activated on your account, enabling you to send job notifications. Additionally, you can configure which users receive SMS alerts when someone replies to your messages under Alert Settings. Enable it for all users or select specific users from the list. You can easily track your SMS logs in the Outbox and Inbox. The Outbox displays all messages sent from the system, where you can track the date and time, SMS content, credit consumption, status, and reference number, such as the ticket number for job notifications. If you are using two-way messaging with a virtual number, you can also track all incoming replies in your inbox. This ensures you have complete visibility of all your SMS communications. That's all for RepairDesk SMS. For more details, check out our knowledge base article or contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.